Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you're doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss on multiple choice questions of a fluid mechanics subject which is generally asked in all types of mechanical competitive exam. Let us start with question number 1. The weight per unit volume of liquid at standard temperature and pressure is called option A, specific volume, option B, mass density, option C, specific gravity, option D, specific weight. Okay, we know that specific weight means it is the ratio of weight per unit volume, and it is also known as specific weight equal to rho g. So here the right answer is option D, specific weight. So the ratio of weight per unit volume is called specific weight. Question number 2. The specific weight of water in SI unit is taken as option A, 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, option B, 9.81 into 10 raised to minus 6 newton per mm cube, option C, 9.81 into 10 raised to 3 newton per meter cube, option D, any one of these. Okay, we know that specific weight means it is the ratio of weight per unit volume. We have already discussed in our previous slide, as well as we can also write specific weight equal to rho g. And we know that rho means density and g means gravitational acceleration, and its value is 9.81. Okay, and the value of density for water is 1000. So 1000 multiplied by 9.81. So it is also written as 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. Whenever it will be converted into meter cube per mm cube, so it is also written as 9.81 into 10 raised to minus 6 newton per mm cube, and it is also written as 9.81 into 10 raised to 3 newton per meter cube. So the right answer is option D, any one of these. Question number 3. The ratio of specific weight of liquid to the specific weight of pure water at a standard temperature is known as option A, compressibility of liquid, option B, density of liquid, option C, specific gravity of liquid, option D, surface tension of liquid. We know that the ratio of density or the ratio of specific weight of liquid to the specific weight of pure water, it is known as specific gravity of liquid, and it is a unitless term because it is the ratio of unknown density upon standard density. Question number 4. The unit of specific gravity is option A, kilonewton per meter cube, option B, kg per meter cube, option C, meter cube per kg, option D, unitless. We know that specific gravity means it is the ratio of unknown density upon standard density of fluid, and it is a unitless term. So the right answer is option D, unitless. Question number 5. The specific weight of sea water is dash that of pure water. Option A, less than, option B, more than, option C, same as. Okay, we know that whenever the salt concentration in water, so at that time its density will be increases. So in case of a sea water, the density or the specific weight of sea water is more than that of pure water. So the right answer is option B. Question number 6. The specific weight is also known as option A, specific volume, option B, mass density, option C, specific gravity, option D, weight density. So the right answer is option D, weight density. We have already discussed in our previous slides. Question number 7. The force per unit length is the unit of option A, compressibility, option B, surface tension, option C, viscosity, option D, capillarity. Okay, we know that surface tension means it is the force acting per unit length. So the unit of force is Newton, and the unit of length is meter. So its unit is Newton per meter. So the right answer is option B, surface tension. The force acting per unit length is the unit of surface tension, and mathematically it is written as Newton per meter. Question number 8. The variation in the volume of liquid with the variation of pressure is called option A, compressibility, option B, surface tension, option C, viscosity, option D, capillarity. Okay, So the right answer is compressibility. The variation in the volume of liquid with the variation of pressure is known as compressibility. Question number 9. The property of liquid which offers resistance to the movement of one layer of liquid over another adjacent layer of liquid is known as option A, specific weight, option B, mass density, option C, specific gravity, option D, viscosity. We know that the definition of viscosity is it is the property of fluid which offers the resistance to the one layer of the fluid to the another adjacent layer of the fluid. It is called viscosity, and it will offer the resistance, okay, between two adjacent layer. So the right answer is option D, viscosity. Question number 10. The specific gravity of water is taken as option A 0.001, option B 0.01, option C 0.1, option D 1. We know that specific gravity means it is a unitless term, and it is the ratio of unknown density upon standard density. So here the right answer is option D 1. Thank you friends for watching this video.